How to change your profile picture in Mobile Legends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your profile picture on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to have your Mobile Legends installed, and after you've installed it, make sure that you're logged into your account. So then open up your Mobile Legends. After you've opened up your Mobile Legends, this is the first page you'll be on. After you're here, tap on your profile that is on the top left corner. After you tap on it, you will see your profile, you'll see your name, and then you'll see your profile picture. What you'll need to do is tap on your profile picture. After you've tapped on your profile picture, you will see this option on the top right corner that says Change Avatar. If you tap on it, you will see different options. Now, what you'll need to do is simply tap on one to change your avatar. Simply tap on Replace after you find one that you like. Now, if you want this to be your own picture, what you'll need to do is you will need to connect it to your Facebook, and after you've connected it to your Facebook, it will just show you your profile picture. And yeah, that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.